What are those? That's what I want to know.
Ditch looks like a doggy.
Well, this is our favourite.
Dog act!
Dog agility.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend.
How is Pebbles' training going?
Pebbles is doing good.
You got a friend. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Oh, my God!
What is that?
That is freaking. Thank you for coming. Do you think you can win Britain's Got Talent? OK, I have nothing more to say. 2 minutes to change your life. OK, good luck.
Wow.
There you go. Go on. Go on. Fire it all.
Honestly, I just don't know what to say anymore on this show.